Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on your iPhone X. First, let's dive into understanding your cellular data plan. Knowing your monthly allowance, whether it's 5 gigabytes or 20 gigabytes, is crucial to prevent unexpected charges. We'll then explore how to easily monitor your data consumption directly from your iPhone settings, giving you a clear overview of usage. Finally, we'll pinpoint which applications are consuming the most data, empowering you to manage them effectively. To check your data usage, open the Settings app and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your data consumption. You can see the total data used since your last billing cycle or manual reset. Scrolling down further reveals a detailed breakdown, showing exactly how much data each individual application has consumed. This information is invaluable for identifying data-hungry apps and making informed decisions. To reduce data consumption, you have several powerful tools at your disposal. First, you can selectively disable cellular data for apps that don't require constant internet access. Next, consider turning off Wi-Fi Assist, which prevents your iPhone from automatically switching to cellular data when Wi-Fi is poor. Always download large files or stream high-quality content over Wi-Fi. Lastly, enabling low data mode can significantly reduce background data usage across all cellular connections. For more advanced data management, try utilizing content blockers in Safari. They can save a significant amount of data by blocking ads. Adjusting streaming quality in video and music apps to a lower setting when on cellular can also make a big difference. Always ensure your iPhone is set to update applications only when connected to Wi-Fi, preventing large downloads over cellular. These small adjustments can lead to substantial data savings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.